Okay,
Empezamos
very good. Let's
entonces.
get started then.
Muy buenas tardes a
Good
todos y
afternoon to
todas.
everyone.
Mi nombre es Lidia
My
Escobar
name is
y en
Lydia
nombre de la
Escobar,
Red
and
Internacional
in the
de
name of the International
Solidaridad con
Network of
Guatemala les doy la
Solidarity with
más cordial
Guatemala,
bienvenida a
I give
este
you a warm
evento.
welcome to this
La
event.
Red Internacional de
The
Solidaridad
International
con
Network
Guatemala,
of
RISC,
Solidarity with
es una
Guatemala,
red
RISC, is
solidaria
a network,
formada
a
por
solidarity network made
activistas,
up of activists,
organizaciones,
organizations,
colectivos,
collectives,
migrantes y exiliados
migrants, and
guatemaltecos de
exiles
todo el mundo.
from Guatemala who are
Su
living around
principal
the world.
objetivo es
Its main
articular
objective
acciones de
is
apoyo,
to organize
denuncia
actions
y
in support, to
acompañamiento
speak out,
internacional
and to accompany
frente a situaciones de
internationally
derechos humanos,
different human rights situations,
democracia y justicia
as
social,
well as issues of democracy and
sobre
social
todo
justice.
en
More than
contextos de
anything,
crisis política,
our support takes place
persecución a
in
líderes y
contexts of
defensores y defensoras
persecution
de derechos
of
humanos
different social
y
leaders, as well
ataques a la
as human rights
sociedad
defenders,
civil.
as well as in
Es
cases
en
when there are attacks
este
against
contexto que se
civil
inscribe el
society.
presente
So, in that
conversatorio
context,
Pacto de
we are
Corruptos
holding
y
this conversation
criminalización de la
about the Pact
protesta
of the Corrupt
social y de la
and
defensa
criminalization of social
de
protest
la
and
democracia en
defense of
Guatemala.
democracy in Guatemala.
Queremos dar la bienvenida
So, we'd like to
y
give a warm
expresar nuestro
welcome
agradecimiento a
and
nuestro
say a
invitado
deep
Marco
thank you
Fonseca,
to
quien hará
our
un
guest, Marco
análisis y una
Fonseca,
reflexión
who
sobre
will
el
offer us
estado
an
actual de la
analysis and a
democracia
reflection
en
about
Guatemala.
the current state of
Marco
democracy in
es
Guatemala.
investigador y
Marco
analista
is a
político
researcher
independiente
and a political
con una
analyst,
trayectoria de más de 25
and he's
años
been working in
como
this field
docente en
for more
lugares
than
como
25 years.
Canadá y el Reino
He's
Unido.
been a teacher in
Actualmente
Canada as
es
well as in the
profesor
UK.
en la Cátedra de
Currently,
Pensamiento
he's a
Político y Social
professor in
del
political
Departamento de Estudios
science
Internacionales de
and
Glendon
social
College
science
en la
in Glendon
Universidad de
College
York
in York
University en
University
Toronto,
in
Canadá.
Toronto, Canada.
Agradecemos también a nuestra
We also
moderadora
say a deep
Noé
thanks to
Vázquez
our moderator,
por
Noé
conducir
Vasquez,
esta sesión.
who will be
Ella es
directing this
literata, periodista,
conversation.
columnista, interesada en
Uh,
comunicación de
they are a
masas y
columnist,
cultura. Un
write literature,
agradecimiento a
and then they
nuestro
work on
compañero
topics having to do
Miguel
with
Lima
culture. We also
por
have Miguel
esta
Lima,
iniciativa de este conversatorio.
who
Y un
brought forward this
especial
initiative of this
agradecimiento a Casa Café
presentation.
Justicia
We'd
por
also like to say a special
proporcionarnos
thanks
el
for
acceso
Cafe
a
Justicia,
esta
Bici Casa
reunión
Cafe
por
Justicia,
medio
who gave us
de su
access
cuenta de
to
Zoom,
this meeting by
que
allowing us to use
tendrá
their Zoom
una traducción
account, which
simultánea
allows
al
us to have
inglés.
simultaneous
Y gracias
interpretation
a
to English.
Marta Schmidt
And thank you to Martha Schmidt
por donarnos generosamente
for
su tiempo
generously
y
donating her
su
time
experiencia como
and her
traductora.
experience as an interpreter.
Queremos agradecer también a varias
We also want to say
organizaciones,
thank you to different
a Social
organizations,
Justice Fund,
Social Justice Fund,
PSAC,
PSAC,
Comité por los Derechos Humanos en América Latina,
Committee for Human Rights
CDHAL,
in Latin America,
Rights Action,
CDHAL,
Latin
Rights
American and
Action,
Caribbean Solidarity Network,
Latin American
la
and Caribbean
Plataforma
Solidarity
Canadá,
Network,
A Todos
Canada
por
Platform,
Guatemala, Canadá,
All for
el
Guatemala,
Foro
Canada,
Social de Segovia y otra Guatemala
the
ya.
Social Forum of Segovia, and
Eh,
another Guatemalan
Antes de
now.
iniciar esta
Before we begin
reunión, queremos
this meeting,
informarles a
we
todos
would like
que
to let
la
everyone know
sesión será grabada
that this
con
session will be
fines de
recorded
documentación
so
y
that we
para
can
una
document it
posible difusión educativa más
and
adelante.
possibly allow us to
También
provide
se
educational
les
opportunities
avisa
in the
que
future.
todos los
We
micrófonos
also
de los
would like to
asistentes
advise
serán
you that
apagados durante la
we're going to keep
presentación para
everyone who's
evitar cualquier
participating
tipo de
with their microphones
interferencia.
off so that we can avoid any
También
interference.
tengo un anuncio
I also
de
have one
parte de
announcement
Plataforma Canadá
coming from
que les
Plataforma Canada,
invita a las personas que estén
which
interesadas
invites
en
everyone
apoyar
who's
el
interested in
trabajo de
supporting
Famdegua
the
con
work of
alguna
FAMDEGWA,
donación para
that they
seguir
could
con sus
provide a
proyectos.
donation, which will allow
Si
FAMDEGWA to
desean
continue
hacer un
forward with their
donativo, se
projects. So
pueden
if you'd like to
comunicar
make any kind of
directamente al
donation,
correo electrónico de Plataforma
please reach
Canadá.
out
La
directly
dirección
to
es
the Plataforma Canada email. It's
plataformacanada@gmail.com y
plataformacanada
esta información
at
aparecerá en el chat
gmail.com.
y
I will
juntamente
also share
con
that email
información
address
sobre
in the chat
Famdegua para quienes no
together with
están
information about FAMDEGWA
familiarizados
in
con
case any of
su
you don't
trabajo.
know about their important work.
Bueno, esperamos en la
So we
RISC,
hope
esperamos que esta
from
actividad
RISC, we really hope that
sea un
this
aporte
activity
para construir
is a support
espacios
allowing us to create spaces in which we can meet one another, have shared analysis and discussion about the current context in Guatemala. We thank you so much for being here present today. And with that, I'll pass the mic over to Noé Vázquez.
Gracias, muchas
Very good.
por acompañarnos.
Thank you so much
a
for
quienes
being here with us
están
today.
conectados, a quienes
To
nos
everyone
ven
who's here connected, everyone who's
por,
watching,
y a quienes nos verán posteriormente en la transmisión.
and for all the folks who are going to watch this in the future since it's being
Y bueno,
recorded.
pues muchas gracias a Marco
And
Fonseca
well,
por
thank you so much
acompañarnos
to
en este
Marco
momento de
Fonseca
análisis y
for
de
being here with
compartir,
us during this moment of
todo
analysis and for
conocimiento
sharing
que,
his
esperamos también
knowledge,
nos sirva a nosotros para
which I hope
reflexionar
will
como
serve us
México
and allow us
empezar
to reflect,
para reflexionar en conjunto y en
it allows us to
colectivo para tener
reflect
alguna propuesta
collectively
de
so that we
cambio
can make
para
common
Guatemala.
proposals
Gracias a la
about
Red
how to
Internacional
make
de
change in
Solidaridad
Guatemala.
con
So I would
Guatemala
like to say
por
thank you to
invitarnos
the
y por
Network
abrir
of
este espacio.
Solidarity in Guatemala
Entonces,
for
Fonseca,
inviting us
ya
and for
quiero
opening the space.
preguntarte, para empezar,
So Professor Fonseca, I would like to ask you to get
siempre
started.
hemos estado escuchando desde hace meses
We are always
que hay un
hearing
pacto de
for the last
corruptos,
few months
¿verdad?
about
Que
the
está
existence
acechando
of a pact
siempre
of
la
the corrupt
democracia de Guatemala.
and
Entonces
that
nos
they're trying to
gustaría que
destroy
nos
democracy in
dijeras, que nos
Guatemala. So I would
explicaras
like you to
qué es
explain a
este
little bit to
pacto de
us.
corrupto, quiénes lo
What is
integran
the
y
pact of the
cuáles son
corrupt?
estas
Who makes up
estrategias
the pact of the
que están
corrupt? And what are their
implementando contra la
strategies that
débil
they are
democracia en el
implementing
país.
against democracy in the country? Thank you so much, Noé, for this introduction. Thank you to everyone for being here by Zoom. We're here at 2 p.m. in Toronto, midday for some of you. It's a international solidarity network with Guatemala, and it makes me really happy to see faces that I hadn't seen before. So let me respond to your question point by point, which is who's made up of the so-called Pact of the Corrupt, which is working against democracy in Guatemala. So to get started, something that we have to have very clear is that the Pact of the Corrupt is not a metaphor. And it's not just a slogan that comes out of protests when we're yelling about corrupt people in the street. It's a true coalition. It's very well organized and it's very persistent. It's made up of political, economic, military, and religious actors who, for more than a decade, from 2015 forward, have moved forward in systematically capturing and co-opting the state and dismantling the very few advances or levels of progress that we have made as citizens from 2015 forward, or even from before. And they're looking to end all of the efforts that the citizenship has made to try to implement some kind of substantial change. So this alliance is not just a group of people who are just acting as corrupt actors. Rather, they work together, and this is important, as a block of power. They're a block of power that is working against democracy. They have structure, they have financing, they have their own narrative, they have judicial operators, they have media-based operators, they have assassins in social networks. They have also their own social bases. So this term of the Pact of the Corrupt is not new. You heard it since 2015. You heard it in the plazas of Guatemala and in the streets. But it became even more notorious in 2017 when the alliance between Jimmy Morales and the traditional parties that supported corruption and impunity stopped the continuation of the International Commission against Corruption in Guatemala, the CICIG. They attacked independent judges. They started to protect political servants as well as Congress people who were being investigated by the CICIG. And since then, since 2015 until now, this alliance has mutated and taken on different forms. It's grown. It's perfected its use of different instruments to capture the state. It's perfected its political discourse and authoritarian control behind the facade of supposedly defending institutions, the law, order. It's not just a context-based pact. It's not something that came overnight. Rather, it's a model that's very well structured to figure out how to stand against all reform of the state. It responds to the interests of the elite business elite, military elite, religious elite, who see themselves and their own privileges threatened by any type of real democratization, any kind of even modest change like Semilla offers. So in terms of who makes up the Pacto de Corrupt, it's changed over time, but in El Observador, we have published different reports in where we have documented the transformation of the Pacto de Corrupt over time. So this Pacto de Corrupt has recombined around a new constellation of political parties, corrupt political parties, and institutional structures that have also been co-opted, as well as extra-institutional operators who are trying to harass all of the activists, the honest judges, the reporters, territorial defenders, and so on. So in the political parties who are supporting impunity and corruption, we have Vamos, which was the official government administration under the Yamate administration. They're also remaking themselves. Other parties are remaking themselves. For instance, Valor, there's new faces. They have very ultra-conservative beliefs, and they also have links to military. The Cabal Party, which has Edwin Molet, it's not as bad of a reputation, but they've kind of made use of different movements in the Congress to try to moderate any changes that Semilla might try to put into place. We also have parties like Todos, FSN Nation, UNE, and then they also have little sub-parties and other little groups, parliamentary groups that come and try to take advantage of opportunities for impunity, corruption, and they've continued forward as a legislative bloc that represents the interests of the Pacto de Corrupt. And according to the reports that have been published, there are about 106 seats in the legislature, which is not just enough to block any kind of democratic reform that might take place in the Congress, but also to push forward their own coup-based and aggressive agenda through a type of political war. So they have loyal political operators in all of the congressional commissions. And those commissions allow them to go after their opponents, to protect anyone who's corrupt. They don't want to do it democratically. Rather, they want to use power as a piñata from which they can pull further privileges. So separate from that criminal coalition, we also have different institutions of the state itself, which are in the hands of this block of power. For instance, obviously, the public prosecutor's office under Consuelo Porras. The public prosecutor's office has turned the judicial branch into a repressive arm against independent journalists, politicians, activists, territorial defenders, women, LGBTQ, EA plus community, and so on. We also had the Supreme Court of Justice and the majority of the appeals chambers, which have been co-opted through voting commissions, which were co-opted, also the state's attorney, the tax department, all kinds of different institutions of the state, which allow them to do certain kinds of targeted persecution, political persecution, and clientelism. They also use military intelligence, and they work in the shadows to try to restore order. As I mentioned before, the Pacto de Corrupt has also a civic base and a social base that is pretty active and can be mobilized. For instance, organizations of veterans, very extreme conservative groups, evangelical and neo-Pentecostal churches, minority business sectors who are pretty small, but they also make a lot of noise. And they supposedly are fighting for the defense of national sovereignty, the defense of the Constitution. Many of these actors the civil actors participated in a recent protest in front of the court of the Constitutional Court in order to defend the possibility of Consuelo Porras continuing forward in power and attacking Bernardo Arévalo. They held a press conference defending the Constitutional Court's decision to having to do with the possibility of applying international conventions in Guatemala. So they rejected international law, and for them that means defending national sovereignty. Because what do they mean by national sovereignty? We have to think about that. We can't forget, as part of this whole block of power, we also have Walton Mazariegos, who is in the San Carlos University. We have their board of directors, the university board of directors. They just expelled 10 students who were criminalized because they spoke out against the fraud during the Mazariegos election, and they peacefully took over the USAC campus. I have all 10 names, but it would take a long time to name all of them. But what I want to say about them is that they all have our solidarity.
In
terms of what kind of strategies do they implement, that's a very, very difficult topic. It's a very complicated topic. We could talk about it for hours, but as a simple version, there are 5 important points of the strategy. One is an institutional coup. Many people have mentioned it, including the Observador. The point of the Pact of the Corrupt is not to put tanks in the street, but rather to co-opt and take over and totally control all of the state's institutions. So the coup that they're implementing in slow motion is a technical, legalistic, and silent coup. They're using Congress, they're using the courts to implement a counter-reform to slowly dismantle all of the checks and balances which have precariously been placed in the state's institutions through the 1985 Constitution. They've also blocked nominations, they've blocked the country's budgets. They attack and harass ministers because they bring them to account for themselves in Congress, but it's based on it's various charges. They've also tried to push through their own agenda in Congress. They've tried to push forward regressive so-called changes in Congress. And their goal is to completely empty out the very small amount of democracy that's left in the country. Another strategy is to control the judicial apparatus, especially through control of the public prosecutor's office. This public prosecutor's office is dedicated not to prosecuting crime, but rather their own political enemies, using the so-called due process as a weapon in their own judicial war. They share information, they filter it out through social media, they criminalize judicial operators, they use judges who support them to move forward arbitrary sentences, as in the case of Telma Aldana, Juan Francisco Sandoval a few years ago. As was the case in more recently of Luis Pacheco, who was the former head of the board of the 48 cantones last year. So the public prosecutor's office is criminalizing and is acting as a type of punishment, a judicial punishment, to support the Pact of the Corrupt. They're also trying to push forward ultra-conservative legislation through evangelical churches, digital platforms, assassins in their social media networks, trying to talk about recuperating moralism, patriotism, law and order, defense of the Constitution, and they do all that in the name of so-called sovereignty. But they reject democracy. They criminalize democracy. They're just totally emptying it of its contents. So this is part of a strategy to put us back to a time of militarization. Right now it's symbolic, but it has real implications. They are reactivating the protagonism and the central role of retired military officers, not just as logistical operators, but also as symbols of order, so-called in a situation we've like supposedly lost order. They're also implementing a strategy to fragment the democratic playing field through the cooptation, through bribery, through internal division, through selective criminalization. So the Pact of the Corrupt is looking to isolate the Arevalo administration, frustrate any opportunities that they could make to organize grassroots society. There's even been a recent fracture within the Semilla party, and so we could see that as a successful tactic in their war against this party. So this lack of power is a structural threat to the country. It's not just like a contextual threat from yesterday or from last year in the face of a weak government that's in power right now. Rather, it's like an effort to restore power. They've adapted this language of law and order, of justice, at the same time as they're wiping out all these ideas of like what their true meaning is. So there can't be democracy in Guatemala unless we take down this structure. So it's not enough for the international community just to put out press releases or to visit the Arevalo government. Rather, what we need is like from below, from the grassroots, a big wave of support, and we need folks to stand against the Pact of the Corrupt and the power that they managed to wield through things like what I mentioned, the church, the media, and so on. So we've seen other experiences in Latin America. We can't bring down authoritarianism through just naive institutionalism. Rather, we need popular organization, widespread popular organization, national imagination of something, a real alternative vision for the future. So I think with that, I've responded. Thank you so much, Marco. So this scenario that you presented to us is pretty dark. It takes away a lot of hope. Basically, you're painting a picture of this like Titanic obstacle that we have ahead of us. And all the information that you're giving us, we know that it's not something new from yesterday. And we know that also we're not going to be able to dismantle it tomorrow. So it also seems like it's a type of organization that's working. So my next question is, what are the challenges that civil society and movements face in the face of this panorama? And even more than a panorama, it's like, it's a restoration of a so-called patriotic model based on repression. But somehow that's gaining ground amongst the civil society. So what would be the challenges that we should understand in the face of this panorama? So in this historical moment, Guatemala is, I believe, trapped at a crossroads, a critical crossroads. There's the broken hope of a democratic transition on one hand, and the intensification of a model of domination, which is going hand in hand with the authoritarian restoration of the Pact of the Corrupt, as well as the persistence of an economic model that is pushing forward poverty, what I call casifismo, or an extractivist vision. And so we also have to look at something terrifying, which is what's called the techno-fascism, neo-imperialism, Trumpist neo-imperialism in the US. So those are not just abstract challenges. They're not just like academic ideas or even overly sophisticated names. They're realities. They have names, they have faces, they have real consequences for the majority of people who are excluded in Guatemala and all of the global South. They have real consequences for civil society, and the real possibility of a democratic and fair and ecologically sound society. So I think the first of these challenges, unfortunately, as I was already mentioning, is the very consolidated progress that the Pact of the Corrupt has been able to achieve. The work between these political actors, business people, judicial operators who are trying to put in place this so-called order, the old oligarchic order. So when I say that, I'm not saying just like what the Patriota Party had before 2015. I'm not even saying restore the neoliberal order that Alvaro Arzu implemented at the beginning of the 90s or at the mid-90s. Rather, I'm talking about something that's even more chilling. I'm talking about restoring an order which came even before 1985, a so-called order made up of open repression, violent repression. And so that's what they're doing. They're co-opting all the institutions that they can. Congress, the public prosecutor's office, sabotaging the executive, using the constitutional court, and as we've mentioned in different writing, they're trying to implement what we could call the Peruvian path. As was done with Pedro in Peru, they're trying to do that to Arevalo. So the Pact of the Corrupt is not just working from above. Instead, as has been documented widely, they're supported by this civil base, which is or grassroots civil movement, which is very conservative. So in this context, they're able to move people at the grassroots level, and dissidents within the civil society have to try to avoid the trap of formalist institutionalism and bureaucracy. So Arevalo has fallen into that trap as if it's like the only place in which we can struggle and fight back. Institutions are co-opted. We're not talking about it in a metaphorical sense of like as if just a few bad apples, rather the whole basket of apples is co-opted. So that's an issue. We have to understand that. We have to understand that the institutions are co-opted. Citizen participation has been totally stolen. The citizens no longer have constitutional power or power as constituency. It's like a pretend version of democracy. Talking about defending democracy means going beyond what we have as the current state. Rather, we need to organize from below a kind of counter-hegemony based in ethics that can truly fight back against this authoritarian repression and restoration from people's communities, from people's cultures. Another challenge? Oh, sorry. I wanted to ask, and I also saw that there was a question in the chat from the participants, which is also of what role does do drug traffickers and narco traffickers play in this organization of the Pact of the Corrupt? Because you talked about like what do we need to do internally, but we also are facing something even more difficult. Oh, I was trying to be simple with my answer. But if we add in the variable of organized crime and narco trafficking in Guatemala, well, then we should commit suicide. Because things get so complicated. We either commit suicide or we go like to the last level, the last circle of hell of Dante. There's no escape. I was trying to be optimistic with the perspective that I was offering here. If we add in the role of cooptation by organized crime and the narco factor in Guatemalan politics, and then really I don't know.
Estados Unidos bajo Trump se ve más
Even the
más
US
chistoso,
under Trump looks more happy
porque
and
la-
like a
la
party,
verdad es que esto complicaría las cosas.
because truly
Todos
that would
sabemos
complicate
perfectamente
things.
bien que
We know perfectly well
los vínculos del narco con
that
el pacto de corruptos y con
the
ciertos
ties
grupos
between
militares,
narco
con
powers
ciertos
and the Pact of
grupos
the Corrupt
religiosos
with
en
certain
Guatemala
military
son
groups,
claros
with
y
certain
son
religious groups in
evidentes.
Guatemala.
No hay
They're very clear ties.
elemento
They're very
alguno
obvious ties.
de la
There's no
política restauradora en Guatemala
kind
que no
of
esté de alguna manera
politics
o en alguna
tied to this
medida
authoritarian
financiado por el crimen
restoration
organizado,
that doesn't have ties and
financiado o
financing
con
from
vínculos con
criminal
el narco,
organized crime. They all have
con vínculos
ties
institucionales
to
con
narco.
instituciones
They have
estatales
institutional
mismas
ties
vinculados al narco, etcétera. Este es un tema
to the
amplísimo,
narco
amplísimo.
traffickers.
Pero
So this is a very huge topic.
solo quisiera decir, pues, para
But I just
seguir
want to
adelante
say,
en las
just to
respuestas, que
continue with the answer,
en Guatemala,
in
la
Guatemala,
situación del narco,
the
aunque no es
situation
tan
of
publicitada
organized
como en
crime and
México,
narco, it's less
tampoco deja de ser tan dramática
known
como
than
en
in
país vecino.
Mexico, but it's not
Las
any less dramatic.
campañas políticas en Guatemala están siendo en
Political
cierta
campaigns
medida
in
en algunos
Guatemala
lugares financiadas
at some
por
level are basically being
el narco,
financed
por
by
el crimen
narco
organizado. Esto
and by
lo sabe
organized
todo el
crime.
mundo, es un secreto
So everyone
público
knows that.
en Guatemala.
It's like an open
Pero
secret
por
in
supuesto que
Guatemala.
tenemos
But
poco
of course,
documentado. Tenemos
we have
rumores
very
por
little
todos lados, tenemos
documentation. More than anything, it's
información
rumors
por todos lados,
everywhere.
pero tenemos poco
We hear
trabajo
information everywhere,
documentado
but we
para
have very
poder
little documentation
demostrar estos
to be able
vínculos
to
de manera
demonstrate
gráfica, clara y transparente, como ha ocurrido
these
en
ties
México.
in a very like clear and
Todo el
transparent
mundo
way,
sabe el
as
precio del
they've done in
narco
Mexico.
cuando denuncias esto, cuando
Because in
documentas esto,
Mexico,
cuando
the
lo
price of
demuestras
documenting
en
this
público es
and
la
speaking
muerte
out about
de la
it
gente
and
que hace
showing
estas
it
denuncias.
publicly
No es
means
cuestión,
death
no es
for
cuestión
those
así
people who are
nomás
speaking out.
suave.
So it's not like an
Pero
easy topic.
aparte del pacto, aparte del
But
crimen organizado,
apart from the
de la
Pact of the
influencia del
Corrupt,
narco,
apart from organized crime, apart from the role of
es
narco
importante
traffickers,
mencionar que
it's also important to
un
mention
desafío enorme que tenemos en
one
Guatemala es
enormous
la
challenge that we have in
continuidad del
Guatemala
modelo
is the
extractivista de
continuity of
acumulación
the
en Guatemala,
extractivist model of capital
que aunque ha
accumulation.
estado o está
That
entrando en crisis, ese modelo
even though
neoliberal
that
entra en
model, that
crisis a nivel
neoliberal
global,
model, is
en
hitting a
Guatemala
crisis
sigue
globally, in
expandiéndose.
Guatemala, it
Así
continues
que
to
yo veo
expand.
como un segundo gran
And
desafío,
so I see that as
es
another
un
huge
desafío
major
económico,
challenge.
ecológico
It's
y
an
político,
economic,
todo esto
ecological,
al
and
mismo
political
tiempo.
challenge
Se trata
all at
pues
the
de
same
esa
time.
continuidad de ese modelo de acumulación por
It's a continuity
desposesión,
of
un modelo de
a model of
acumulación
accumulation
por
through
represión,
dispossession,
un modelo
through
de acumulación
repression,
por
model of accumulation
empobrecimiento de la gente,
through
que ha
impoverishment
definido a la
of the people,
Guatemala desde la posguerra,
which has defined
desde los
Guatemala
acuerdos de
since the
paz,
end
un
of the conflict
extractivismo
with the peace accords.
neoliberal,
It's
agresivo,
neoliberal extractive,
defendido y
aggressive
promovido
neoliberal
por el
extractivism,
CACIF,
which is
por
defended
sus aliados
and
internacionales.
promoted by the CACIF
Esto
and their
es lo que
international allies.
expolia, lo que destruye
So
los
that's
territorios
what
indígenas, lo que precariza el
dispossesses
trabajo,
and
lo que
destroys
privatiza los
indigenous
bienes
terrorism.
comunes, lo que
That
reprime la
privatizes
resistencia social.
services and
Este
represses
modelo ha sido
social
rebautizado
resistance.
recientemente
So this
por
model
las
has been
élites del CACIF
rebaptized recently
con una
by
consigna
the
que
elites
lo
who make
lava
up
todo,
CACIF
una
with
consigna
a
que
slogan
dice,
that
Guatemala
allows
no
them to
se
wash their
detiene.
face,
Esa es la consigna que usan.
saying Guatemala
no se detiene.
will not
Tan
be
bonito
stopped.
que suena. Bajo
It
esa
sounds so
marca,
lovely.
lo que realmente están promoviendo
So
es
through
la
that
continuidad de
branding,
un régimen
what they're
económico
trying to push
que ya
forward
había quedado
continuously
definido en
is
sus
the
entornos
continuation
liberales desde
of
antes que
that
empezara el
economic
Plan
regime,
Nacional de
the same
Desarrollo
neoliberal
Catún
ideas
por Nuestra Guatemala
uh,
2032.
as like the plan of development
Esto es lo que
Catún,
había planteado
uh,
Otto Pérez Molina.
which Otto
Un plan
Pérez
que
Molina
produce
had
riqueza para unos pocos,
suggested. That was a plan that
al mismo
creates
tiempo que
riches
produce
for just a
empobrecimiento
few
estructural para
at
la
the same
mayoría
time
de
as
la
it
gente.
creates structural
Y
poverty
esta
for the large
unidad
majority of the people.
muy grotesca de
And this
empobrecimiento de las mayorías y enriquecimiento de
like
las minorías
match
es lo que
of
en
the
Guatemala
impoverishment
llaman
of the majority
desarrollo
and the
sostenible.
enrichment of just a few is what's called in
Ese
Guatemala
es un desafío
sustainable
tremendo.
development.
Y el gobierno de
So
Arévalo,
that's a
déjame que
massive
diga, el gobierno de
challenge.
Arévalo,
And then
en lugar
I'll
de
mention
confrontar este
the
modelo
Revelo administration,
de
rather than
Guatemala no se
confronting
detiene,
this model
lo asiste,
of
lo
so-called Guatemala
a
will not
través
be
del
stopped,
Ministerio de Economía, a
they
través de un conjunto de
legitimize
alianzas
it
ahora
through the Ministry of
público-privadas. Esta
Economy,
es la nueva modalidad
through all these
de
public-private
alianzas, las
alliances,
alianzas
that's like the new kind of inversion, the public-private partnerships, as if it was like, wow, a brand new idea, this huge step towards the future, a new mechanism to implement policy. No, that comes out of the CACIF playbook, in which they prioritize large-scale capital through the Ministry of Communication. They use public funds, and they use public infrastructure in the service of private capital and mega projects. And they say they're so-called like trusted partners for the Trump government. But for the development of grassroots development, we can't just be resisting project for project. That will kill us. Rather, we need to dismantle the whole entire vision of so-called development based on extractivism. And so as a proposal of a future, we have to make a proposal of a different kind of future that is possible. And if there weren't enough challenges that I've mentioned so far, another one is climate collapse and the fake promise of green development. It's like a civilizing proposal, the false promise. Guatemala is one of the most vulnerable countries to climate collapse, but the state's institutions are not ready to face this threat, and certainly not the business sector. The Ministry of Environment, up to the delegations that have come to talk about the climate change, they offer like well-intentioned discourse, but they're structurally inadequate. Mitigation plans, but without the relevant resources. They make different commitments, but they don't consult the people. They make changes, but everything is under the logic of green capital. Always, they continue forward with the model of dispossession. And the worst part of this is like the fake green promise has lost something essential, that the crisis in Guatemala can't be, the climate crisis in Guatemala cannot be fixed without a radical transformation of the political, economic, and territorial model. That's extremely clear. And finally, just a few other points about the challenges we face right now. So just thinking, only if we can understand the challenges, can we understand the strategies. So another challenge is this techno-fascism that I mentioned before, and the recolonization around the world. So those two terms that I already mentioned, I would add that the return of an aggressive form of imperialism from the US under the Trump government. Trump implemented 10% tariffs on Guatemala, and Arevalo is desperate to try to like eliminate these tariffs. CACIF is really trying to eliminate these tariffs, and they just sent a delegation to Washington, basically to ask President Trump, what does Guatemala have to do? Whatever we have to do in order to take away these 10% tariffs. And that's despite the fact that there's a free trade agreement between Guatemala and the US. So that's an issue. And finally, another challenge. The last one I'm going to mention, because otherwise I could be naming challenges all day. And we would have to be taking lorazepam pills or something when I'm done. It's the challenge of fragmentation among the resistance. This is one of our most serious challenges, that the democratic resistances, how they're fragmented, as well as the indirect cooptation of parties like Semilla, criminalization of certain leaders, community leaders. For instance, the criminalization of Luis Pacheco, all of that has weakened the possibility of offering an organized response from urban or rural movements. A lot of times they're acting separately from one another. Feminist, rural, indigenous, student-based movements, they don't find organization in common. There's more things that bring them together than that divide them, but nonetheless, they can't come together. Meanwhile, the Pact of Corrupt and Imperialism, they work in an alliance. They share certain goals. They're financed by the same elites, and they're sustained by the same judicial and media apparatus.
Esto no lo componemos con una movilización. Esto no lo
So
componemos con
we
una
can't
movilización como
say
lo que hizo
this is
Codeca
just
hace poquito.
one mobilization, like what
48
Codeca put
cantones.
together recently or what
Esta
48
ni siquiera
cantones
lo
put together
lo
before.
comparamos con un paro de un año, como el que hicieron 48 cantones.
We can't even do it with a year-long work stoppage as they did last year to protect the democracy in 2023 and protect Semia's win in the election. We're only able to defend if we're able to progress with a more widespread and deeper strategy that organizes us and knows how to bring us together, bring together all our different diversities without trying to homogenize, without trying to reproduce hierarchies, that we know how to face up to power, but without falling into the trap of weak institutionalism. As Zapatista said, we have to know how to govern obeying.
Mira, ahorita con todo lo
Govern,
que nos
obey.
estabas contando,
Okay,
Luz,
wow, with
también se nos
everything that you
revuelve
shared with us here,
además del estómago, las ideas.
it turns our stomach, but
¿Verdad?
also it gives us new ideas.
Pareciera que tendríamos que ir
But
como
it
por
seems
etapas
as
o
though
por capas para ir también
we might need to go like
desarticulando los
stage by
discursos que
stage,
nos
layer by
vienen,
layer,
porque a veces también queremos
trying to
responder
take
con los mismos
apart the different
discursos. Es como el
discourses
gobierno
that
que
we
quiere responder
receive.
con las mismas leyes a toda esta
Sometimes government wants to
implementación que tiene
respond
ahorita para
to
poder
laws and to a bad
moverse,
legal system
a
with
poder
the same
ofrecer
laws,
lo
and
que
so they fall into
supuestamente
the
iba a
trap
ofrecer
that they're
durante
not really
la
able to
campaña y
move. They're not
durante
really
su
able to
elección, ¿no?
offer all that they promised during
Em,
the campaign. So,
¿Crees posible que si
do you
pudiéramos
think that it's
vencer
possible
nuestras diferencias para
that we
no
could
buscar
get
la
over our
unidad, como dices muy
differences,
bien tus trabajos y tus ensayos, ¿verdad? No buscar una unidad superficial de estar
look for
ahí
unity,
todos,
as
sino
you've mentioned in your
entender que
previous
somos
work, which
distintos
isn't a
y
superficial
entender que
unity?
tenemos un enemigo
Understand
en
that we're
común,
different. Understand
¿verdad?
that
Un enemigo con muchas cabezas,
nonetheless,
por
we have
decirlo
an
así.
enemy in common,
Pero
an enemy with many heads.
podríamos pensar que somos capaces o qué
Could we think that
necesitaríamos hacer
we're
para empezar
capable, or
a
what will
vencer
we need to do
esa división
to be
interna que
able
hay
to
en el movimiento
like fight against
o
this
en las
internal division
organizaciones
that we
o
have
en los
in our
en las
movements, in our
sí, con
organizations,
las expresiones sociales que hay en el país?
in the different social expressions that
Yo
exist
creo
in
que
the country?
ese es el talón de Aquiles. Esa es la pregunta
I think that's our Achilles
creo.
heel. I think that's the
Hay
key
gente que
question.
ahorita en Guatemala está
There are people who in
manejando el
Guatemala
discurso
right
de
now,
nuevo,
they're
de
able
tratar de
to
organizar lo que llaman un
use this
frente
discourse. They're
unitario,
trying to bring
o un
together
frente cívico,
unifying front or
dicen,
like a
¿verdad?
civic front.
Y la
That's
pregunta
what they
por la
say.
posibilidad de un frente
But
unitario entre
the
movimientos
question about like
populares
a
en
unifying
Guatemala, por
front
supuesto,
between
yo
different
creo,
popular
no puede
movements in
ser
Guatemala,
respondida con ingenuidad,
I think that we
pero
can't talk about
tampoco con
that
pesimismo.
from
No puede ser
naivete,
respondida
but we also can't have total
sin memoria
pessimism.
histórica
So
y
I
sin
could
memoria
respond that
política. Exige que
without
entendamos el
historical
momento
memory and
histórico
political
presente
memory,
que estamos viviendo, que hagamos un
then
análisis profundo de las fuerzas que están
in
en
order to have political
contención,
memory and historical memory,
que
we need to
hagamos una
have like a
crítica
deep analysis of the
de la
situation that we're
idea
in.
de la unidad.
We need to have
Esto
criticism
es
of this
crucial,
idea of unity.
que hagamos una crítica de la idea
We need
de
to
la
have a
unidad,
criticism of the idea
de
of
la
unity,
idea de un frente unitario.
the idea of a
Y por
unified
eso yo he
front.
propuesto esto que se llama
And that's
así
why
muy
I proposed
ostentosamente una filosofía de
very
la articulación, precisamente para no
ostentatiously
repetir los
to have
patrones del pasado,
a philosophy of
quedarnos
organization, to
atrapados
not
en la
repeat these
lógica
same
del
errors from
poder por el
before,
poder mismo.
to not get stuck in this idea of
Pero
just
¿por qué es
getting
que ha
power to
fracasado?
have power. But
Creo yo, ¿por qué es que ha fracasado hasta
why has
ahora
this failed up
la
until now?
articulación?
What I think.
Los
Why
intentos
has
de
this
unidad
organization
popular en
failed?
Guatemala
The
han estado
popular
marcados, como
unity
todos
fronts
sabemos,
in
como todas
Guatemala, or the
sabemos,
groups,
por ciclos de movilización y repliegue,
have been marked by
alianzas
different
tácticas y luego fragmentaciones,
cycles of mobilization
convocatorias
and
masivas,
then
como ocurrió en 2015, en
movements backwards,
2021, en
where they come
2022,
together, then
y
they break
luego
apart. It
repliegues
happened in
también.
2015, 2023,
Y
and so
también ha
on.
estado caracterizado
And then
por
there's a movement
fracturas
backwards.
estructurales,
And there's also been
desconfianzas históricas,
structural fractures,
sospecha, rumores,
suspicion,
peleas
rumors,
internas, una tremenda
internal fights,
dispersión organizativa,
a lot of
ideológica, falta
internal
de
diffusion,
conocimiento. La
ideological
gente
diffusion, lack
prefiere
of
la
understanding.
conspiración, el
People
rumor,
prefer conspiracies, rumors, than illustration or the true understanding, the effort to understand like the key points. So no, it's nicer to just fight. So I think that there are several different reasons why that kind of articulation organization has not been possible in Guatemala. One of them is that there's a political culture that is very marked by vanguardism, mutual lack of trust, and like popular figures, hierarchical figures. There's a lot of caudillo organizing, vertically based organizing, and there's a lack of trust in horizontal process, democratic forms of taking decisions. Many movements have leaders who love to make decisions behind closed doors. And then after they've taken their decision, they go out to the people and they share their decision with the grassroots and they say, okay, here's your material. You can chat about it. But they already took all the important decisions ahead of time. That's not democracy. That is authoritarianism through other means. So I think that in social movements, there's something that's called an identitarian retreat, especially in the indigenous movements. There's a logic of purity. Many organizations try to prioritize their sectorial or ethnic demands ahead of any other topics, and they don't want to create strategic links with other sectors. So it's been impossible to have Huaquipque and Codeca chatting, or Codeca with the Popular Assembly. Or they've just started some conversations, but very ephemeral conversations between Codeca and 48 cantones, and like they're fighting.
Sí, antes de que continúes con esta, yo
That's a problem.
también siento
Before we
que
keep going with that, I
tenemos un
also
problema
think
con la
that
crítica y de
there's an issue with
como de darla,
criticism,
¿no? O sea, la
both
crítica
giving
no
it and
debe de
receiving it.
ser algo que nos
So
destruya,
criticism shouldn't
¿verdad?
be
Uno de
something
los
that
comentarios
destroys us.
que nos tira la audiencia es,
What are the
lo ponen
commentaries that
acá,
our audience has shared with us?
dice que no se trata de vencer discursos ni
It
tampoco
says
vencer las
it's not
diferencias,
about
sino tener la capacidad de
beating
construir
different
con las
discourses
diferencias.
or defeating
Entonces,
differences, but rather
¿cuál
having the
sería
capacity
uno de los
to
pasos?
build
Sé que
based on
vamos atrás y
differences.
que el
So
avanzar
what would
en
be one of
el
these
Pacto de
steps? I
Corruptos
know
es algo
that we're behind
¿verdad?
in
Pero
the
¿qué tan necesario
level that
sería
the
que
Pact
nos
of the Corrupt has
sentáramos a
been
hacer
able to
una
move forward is
crítica
very
que
overwhelming.
realmente estuviera a un
But if
nivel
we were going to offer
para que
criticism
la sociedad pudiera avanzar en otros sentidos?
that allows us to advance the society, what would that look like? It's urgent. It's urgent. And that's precisely what I want to propose with this philosophy of organization, this organizing strategy, to manage to have debate, criticism, self-criticism becomes part of our culture. To say, as Francia Marquez says in Colombia, that it becomes a habit. It's important that leadership understands this, that being part of leadership means, in order to come in as a leader, means that you will face criticism. And even more important than that, means facing the possibility of losing power. Because how many different leadership structures are there in different social movements in Guatemala that are lifelong leaderships? Where does that happen? Lifelong leadership? Where they become like the owners of the movement, owners of the NGO, owners of the social movement, 20, 30 years. And then afterwards, their brother or sister, their children take over. That does not make sense. So organizations need to be open to this kind of organizing, unifying without uniformity, coordinate without hierarchy. So that is our challenge. It's the semblance of an overlapping consensus based on assembly where community councils from the grassroots propose the ideas, and that we start based on those who have been excluded by the current situation. We cannot have everything based around actors that are already integrated in the system, or who in the past were part of the leadership. The past leadership cannot be the ones who are calling people to organize and to unify. Nowadays, we need new voices. We need youth. We need people who have traditionally been excluded. People who have not been part in the past. That's what we need. We're talking about people who have been systematically marginalized, indigenous peoples, rural campesino workers, women, youth living in precarious situations, folks in informal work, returned migrants. We need to recognize our heterogeneity without fear. Not all the movements need to think the same thing or have the same ideology. What we need is a common field or a common area of struggle where we mutually recognize one another, standing against impunity, dispossession, patriarchy, neoliberal ideas of so-called sustainable development. So what happens inside of each movement is their own thing, but we hope that that stimulates internal debate. We have to abandon the fetishism with electoral politics. We shouldn't have this social movement that turns into a political party. I'm not saying that we abandon the electoral area, but it can't be like the fundamental part of our work, because it's a much deeper question than that. This organization that I'm talking about should be constructed and based in social conflict, in territories, in the streets, in the day-to-day practices of self-decision, of resistance in communities, what they call negativity, what seems bad to us right now. So we need to build based on the community level, the local level, the territorial level. It can't be something vertical and it can't be centralized. It has to be organization that is based on democracy, assemblies, argumentation, participation. We have to organize without pushing other things down or prioritizing struggles one over the other. We need to be able to take over power, but without reproducing the same logic of power. I'm sorry to interrupt you, but that's the essential point. Because on the one hand, we need to understand ourselves. We need to understand that we've had these organizations based in communities that we've had successes. And that's one important part. And then the other side is that we can't have the same logic of power that corrupts, that is corrupt within our organizations, in our structures, and more than anything is looking for protagonism so that someone can just stay eternally in their leadership role. So sometimes I think that brings us to the logic of political parties, that we want to maintain these positions, that we're not thinking, hey, what other capacities do we have within our organization? Who else might work? What could we learn from things that have worked in other places? So here we have a couple comments in the chat. Do you think it's possible in this context to have a constituent assembly? I think it would be desired. I think that a plurinational constituent assembly, as social movements like Codeca, CPO, Equipe, and so on, having a plurinational constituent assembly is absolutely desirable. Right now, it's not possible, but it's a goal, and it shouldn't be a goal that we have for 40 years from now. Probably a goal for the near future, relatively near future. That
Pero
is what we
para
call a
refundar el Estado
refoundation.
tenemos que
But in order to
refundarnos a nosotras
refound the
mismas.
state, we need to
Si
like
no, no hay
have a
refundación.
refoundation in ourselves.
Esto tiene que
Otherwise,
partir,
what is
pues,
the
de esta
refoundation?
reforma moral e intelectual.
We have to
Esto
have a
tiene que
moral and
partir
intellectual reform.
de esa idea.
We have to start from that idea.
Tenemos que tener bien claro, ¿verdad?
So we
Tanto
have to
la
have it clear.
regulación como la refundación
The
no
organization
están
and the refoundation
garantizadas.
are not
Y
guaranteed.
eso le molesta a mucha gente.
And that
le
really
molesta
bothers a lot of
mucha gente.
people.
Hay gente que
It
quiere
really bothers a lot of
garantías.
people. There are people who
Hay gente que le
want
gusta hablar de
guarantees in this
leyes del
life.
desarrollo
They love to
histórico.
talk
Por eso te dicen que es
about
que
the laws
sujetos
of
de clase,
historic
porque
development, and they
supuestamente
talk
están
about
armados y pegados a las
class
leyes
actors,
históricas. Y entonces
and
hay
they're like really
garantías.
stuck to the idea of like
Pero
laws,
no, tengo
historical
malas
laws.
noticias.
They
No hay
want
garantías
guarantees, but no,
de nada.
bad news. There are no
La
guarantees of
cosa está
anything.
abierta. La cosa es aleatoria.
So
La
things
cosa
are
es
open.
contingente. La cosa es
Things are
cosa de
random.
lucha
Things are contingent.
histórica, lucha
Things are
social.
based on
Y
historical
eso
struggles,
significa tomar
social
riesgos.
struggles.
Eso significa
And that means taking risks.
desarrollar audacia. Eso significa
That means developing
tener
our audaciousness.
convicciones. Y,
That
bueno,
means
una
having
palabra que
conviction.
a la izquierda no mucho le gusta,
And one
tener
word
esperanza
that
de que esto
the
se
left
puede, de que otro
does not
Guatemala
like is having
es
hope,
posible.
to believe that
Pero
another
esto
Guatemala is
significa
possible.
que no podemos dejarnos llevar por la
But that means
inercia
that we cannot
institucional,
allow us to
ni de
be carried
partidos,
ourselves to be
ni de
carried away by
movimientos, ni de
institutional
colectivos,
inertias,
ni
by
nada.
parties,
Tenemos que estar siempre
institutions,
cautelosos con el
movements.
clientelismo
We
y
have
el
to be very careful
asistencialismo
with
de las
clientelism and
ONGs. Peligroso,
the
peligroso. Porque eso nos
dependency on
pone,
NGOs.
nos
It's
supedita a
dangerous
agendas que no vienen de abajo,
because
que no
then
vienen
it
de la
like means that
autogestión. Cuidado
the
con el
agendas are
financiamiento
imposed and
con
they
la
don't
no
come
estoy
from
diciendo que hay que
grassroots interests.
rechazar el financiamiento
I'm
externo.
not saying we have
Estoy
to
diciendo
reject
que
all
no
kinds
hay
of
que estar
external financing,
dependiente del mismo
but what I'm saying is that you can't
ideológicamente hablando. Eso es lo que
ideologically
estoy diciendo.
depend
O
on
sea,
external funds. That's what I'm
es
trying to say.
necesario una
So it's
Asamblea Nacional
necessary
Constituyente en Guatemala.
to have a
Absolutamente.
plurinational
¿Es posible
constituent
en este
assembly.
instante? No lo creo. ¿Es
Absolutely.
deseable en el
Is
corto
it possible right now?
plazo?
I don't think so.
Absolutamente
Is it
que sí.
desirable in the short to
Es
medium
la
term?
única manera de
Yes,
refundar
I
el
would say
Estado. ¿Está
absolutely yes.
garantizado?
It's the
No
only way
se
that we can
puede.
recreate the
Y de
state.
plano que no es ni puede ser producto
And
de una
it can be the product.
vanguardia de cualquier tipo. Vanguardismos
It actually
están
can't
muertos.
be
Y
the
mientras haya una sola
product
organización
of
de cualquier
vanguards.
tipo,
I think
Codeca,
vanguardism is
Cook,
dead.
quien
So
sea,
whether
que se
Codeca,
plantee
Cook, or whoever
hacer un
who brings it
llamado,
forward,
convocar,
they need to do
imagínate tú,
a
una
widespread
organización
call,
convoca al
bring
resto,
together many.
así como
One
una visión
organization can
vanguardista
bring
del
in all the
pasado.
rest,
Eso no va a llegar a ningún lado.
but if
Tenemos
they
que
do it with
desarrollar
the
una
vanguard
conciencia
vision,
de
then it's not going to go
asamblea,
anywhere. So we need to
horizontalismo,
have
reconocimiento mutuo, aceptación crítica,
assembly-based ideas
y por favor, estos
based on
dirigencias de por vida
mutual
en
support,
trabajo,
critical
ya
ideas.
basta.
Also, enough
Gracias.
with these
Bueno, yo
lifelong
no sé cómo
leaderships.
vamos
That's
con
enough.
el tiempo, pero
Okay, thank you. I don't know how we're doing on time,
es interesante que lo que nos estás
but it is
diciendo es que no
interesting
tenemos que confiar en la palabra certeza.
that we don't need
Porque la
to
vida misma
trust
es
in
algo
this
cambiante,
word
que muta,
certainty,
que se
because
mueve, que se
life is
equivoca, pero que
mutating,
puede
that
volver
moves, it
a
changes, that there's
configurarse,
mistakes,
¿verdad?
but
Para
it can
tener
be
un plan
reconfigured
en común. Y a veces
to
pareciera
have
que
a
es
plan
mucha
in common.
filosofía y poca acción,
And so
¿verdad?
some could
A
say
veces
that's a lot of
pareciera que
philosophy,
Yo
not a
creo
lot of
al
action.
revés. Yo creo al revés. Yo creo que
I think that it's the
mucha
opposite.
acción
I
y
think
nada
Guatemala,
de
there's a
filosofía.
ton of action
No, es que
and
pareciera que
nothing
también
in terms of philosophy.
las comunidades, la gente en la calle
I would say
quisiera
that
ver
here,
más
the
acción,
communities,
¿no?
people who
Pero
come
yo
out to the
también
street,
pienso,
they
y
want to see more
puesto por ello,
action.
que es también necesario reflexionar
So,
para
but
no
because of
ir a
that, I would say
improvisar
that we
cosas,
need to reflect so
¿verdad?
that we're not just going out and
Eh,
improvising.
bueno, vamos a, no sé, vamos a ver si
A ver,
tenemos
So,
solo
alguna,
un
sí,
comentario más
we're
a,
gonna
a lo que
see.
acabas de decir, un comentario más. Me recuerda
Oh,
una
just one
expresión de
thing
un filósofo que
about
se
what you
llama
said.
Slavoj
There was
Žižek. Es muy divertido,
a
muy
philosopher,
divertido.
Slavoj Zizek,
Él dice
who
lo
said
siguiente,
something very funny. He
dice lo
said the
siguiente.
following. He said,
Marx solía decir
Marx
que los
used to say,
filósofos han interpretado al mundo y que lo que
philosophers
importa
have
ahora es
interpreted
transformarlo.
the world, and what's important now
Bueno,
is
en
transforming the world.
Guatemala,
But in
como todo
Guatemala,
está patas arriba,
and since
debemos
everything's
decir que la
backwards,
gente se ha dedicado a transformarlo todo. Lo que tenemos que
that
hacer
people
ahora
have
es
dedicated themselves to
interpretar el mundo.
transforming everything. But what we need to do now is try
sí.
to
Y
interpret
también
the
es
world.
eso, que también la coyuntura nos
Yeah,
tiene
and it's
una
also that.
herramienta
I
total
mean,
que no nos deja
that
pensar,
the
ni
current
pararnos,
context
ni
always has
respirar,
us strangled, so
¿verdad?
it doesn't give us a chance to
¿Verdad?
breathe,
eso creo que
much
es
less
algo que
think.
tenemos
And so I
deficiente,
think it's
cabal, cuando
something
te
that's
estás
like a
contando con lo que
deficiency
nos estás diciendo, que lo que
based on what you're
necesitamos
sharing with us
es
here.
introyectar en la cultura
We
todas
need
estas
to
cosas a
inject it
las
in
que
the
no les
culture,
hemos dado tiempo,
or
¿verdad?
all these
A
things that
nivel
we haven't
sistema,
been able to
también
give time
están con
to.
el pie en la cabeza pensando en que
And the
todo va a
Sistema
terminar
has
pronto,
like,
pero resulta
you
que
know,
nunca se acaba
their foot on
y
our
viven en
neck,
una
making us
ansiedad
think that everything's
constante
going to
y
end
en algo que
very soon.
acaba con
It keeps us in this
con
constant state of
cuerpos
anxiety.
incluso, ¿verdad?
Even, you know,
Entonces
our own
también
bodies
cómo
are at risk.
cuando tú decís y apelas a la
And
esperanza,
so
aunque pues caiga
when
mal
you
la
call
palabra,
for hope, even
también
though,
es esto
you know,
también
it annoys us to hear
de
that word,
repensar que incluso los
it
pueblos
means
originarios
rethinking
van a
that
decir que
even
también hay que
indigenous peoples
pensar en un buen vivir y pensar desde
are
la
telling
realidad,
us we need to think about buen vivir,
¿verdad? Entonces yo
and we
creo
need to
que
think about
Eso suena muy
reality.
bien, sí.
Yeah, that sounds really good.
a
Yeah.
ver, ¿qué comentario quieres agregar a eso?
So what comment would
No,
you
no,
like to add to that?
la cuestión de la alegría es una cuestión que los zapatistas
So
enfatizan
the
mucho,
topic of
mucho,
happiness
mucho
is something
en
that the
su quehacer
Zapatistas
político,
really push
quehacer
forward
cultural,
in their
quehacer
activities,
intelectual,
in their
lo
political
enfatizan
activities, their
mucho.
intellectual activities.
Pero
They really
a la vez
emphasize
de
it.
todo esto,
But what I wanted to add
avanzar en
is that all
Guatemala
of this,
requiere de
moving
esta
forward in Guatemala,
autodescolonización de la que
means
nos
that we
habla
need to
Frantz
do
Fanon, de esta
self
violencia cultural y blog
decolonization,
de
as
la que
Franz
nos habla
Fanon mentions,
Antonio Gramsci,
or
esta
as Antonio
reforma
Gramsci talks
moral
about,
e intelectual.
to have a
Tenemos
moral
que
reform,
transformar
intellectual
muchas
moral
cosas que
reform.
llevamos
We
por
need to
dentro,
transform
que
many things that
cargamos
we have
como un
inside of
lastre
ourselves that
y que no
we're
nos dejan avanzar.
holding as like a continuous
Pues muchas
obstacle
gracias,
and doesn't
Mar.
allow us to move forward. Thank you so much, Medical.
Yo creo que nos dejas muchas cosas por hacer.
I think that
Uno, el
you've
registro de lo
given
que
us a
está
lot
pasando,
to
el
do.
análisis de lo que hemos
So
hecho,
to
la
understand what's
crítica y
happening right now,
autocrítica que es tan
analyze
necesaria para construir.
criticism,
También
self-criticism,
nos
all
estás
that is so
hablando
necessary
de
to
un
construct, to
proceso
build.
que
You're
necesitamos
also
más
talking
procesos
about
horizontales,
the need for
donde
more
sean
horizontal processes
plurivoces las que vayan a
where there's
proponer, hablar,
a
interactuar
plurality of
entre generaciones
voices
también,
that can
propuestas jóvenes y
interact,
propuestas nuevas,
that bring in new
de
voices,
criticar
new
también
proposals,
nuestros
youth
liderazgos y
proposals.
darle espacio
Also
a otros
criticize our
liderazgos, ¿verdad?
leaderships and give
Para
more
que
space
esta
to new people in
articulación
leadership
realmente funcione.
so that this
Bueno,
organization really works.
voy a dejarle un espacio a la red para que si tienen
So I'm going
alguna
to give
pregunta
space for the
de
network
la
in case
base
there's
o de los participantes
any
y
questions
después
from the
pues ya
participants or
vamos,
from the
nos vamos
grassroots.
despidiendo del espacio.
And then afterwards, we can see if we're going to close the space.
No sé si Brisna,
Brisna, I don't know if you have any questions.
solo creo que no tenemos audio.
I just think that we don't have
solamente
audio.
una pregunta.
Yes, just one quick
Me parece muy
question.
interesante todo lo
It
que
seems
has
really
expresado.
interesting,
Yo
everything that you
tengo,
shared.
este cuestionamiento es, ¿cómo se
I have
puede
this
deconstruir
question.
esta
How can we
mentalidad,
deconstruct
esta forma de
this
actuar
mentality,
dentro de
this
las
way of
personas que nos
acting
consideramos de izquierda, que nos consideramos
within us as
progresistas,
people who
que
we
nos
consider ourselves
consideramos
leftists,
incluyentes? ¿Cómo
progressives?
se
We
hace
think
ese
that we're
desmontaje?
inclusive.
Porque eso parece
So
un
how do we do
trabajo
this
muy
deconstruction?
intenso.
Because it seems like an immense amount of work.
Brisna, no parece, es un trabajo
But it's not,
inmenso.
it
Desde
doesn't
luego que
just
sí.
seem like an immense amount of work.
Y
It
a
is an
veces
immense amount of
es
work.
tan inmenso
That's true.
que parece
And
simple y
sometimes it's so
sencillamente,
immense that it
imposible.
seems just simply
Pero yo
impossible.
pienso que instancias como
But I
esta,
think that
esto que
in
tenemos
spaces
es
like
una
this
especie de
one,
asamblea virtual,
this is a
en donde
kind of
tenemos la
a virtual
oportunidad de
assembly
comunicarnos,
where we
tenemos
have
la
the
oportunidad de
opportunity to
intercambiar,
communicate,
tenemos la
to
oportunidad
share
de
ideas,
expresarnos, de hacer críticas,
to
de hacer
express
preguntas,
ourselves, to be
expresar
critical, to ask
dudas,
questions,
expresar
to express our
reservas,
doubts
incluso de
and our
alguien
reservations.
de la que esté presente que pueda decir, yo tengo una versión completamente
Somebody
diferente
who's
a la
here
de
could
Marco,
say, I
porque
actually
Marco
think
está
that
en la
that I
calle,
have a
aquí está
totally
la mía.
different idea than
Entonces,
Marco. Marco's out on the street. Here's
así
my
es
thoughts.
como empezamos a avanzar.
So
Claro,
that's how we could
también
move forward
significa,
and progress.
¿verdad? A
But of
veces,
course, that means
lo he dicho en algunos lugares, lo he escrito
I've mentioned this
otros
in some
lugares,
places and
¿verdad?
I've written it in some places
comparado este proceso, Brisna, con un proceso como quien dice así
that
de
we could
conversión,
compare
¿verdad?
this process with the
Una
conversion
especie de
process.
renacimiento personal,
It's a type of personal
acompañado por
rebirth,
procesos de reflexión, procesos de
accompanied by
diálogo,
reflection
procesos de
processes,
intercambio,
dialogue
procesos de
processes, exchanges,
procesos de aprendizaje
participation,
que tenemos que compartir
processes
de
of
manera
learning.
mutua.
which we need to share mutually.
Cuesta mucho hacer
In
eso.
isolation, it would be really
Aisladamente,
difficult to do this. In
no-
isolation,
¿verdad? A no ser que pienses que esto es como un proceso de tipo budismo. Yo no
it's
sé.
not like,
Pero
unless you think of
esta
it as some
cosa,
kind of Buddhist
este
process,
proceso de,
I don't know.
de autodescolonización es un proceso
So
colectivo.
something
que
like
tenemos que hacer así,
self-decolonization
de
is pretty
manera
tough.
asamblearia,
It's
de
rather
manera-
something that we have to
de
do
manera
collectively in
discursiva, de manera
assemblies,
participativa,
through
horizontal,
discussion, through
democrática, en
participation,
donde, por supuesto,
horizontal democratic
elevemos la barra
participation.
cada vez más. O sea, no podemos quedarnos siempre al
And
mismo
each time
nivel,
we
tenemos
raise the
que
bar higher and
exigir
higher. We
más,
can't just stay at the same
demandar
level. We
más,
need to demand
esperar más,
more,
contribuir más.
hope for more,
Y así
expect
vamos,
more,
creo yo,
and contribute more.
avanzando poco a poco.
And in that way, we can progress
Y a
slowly
esto
over
que
time.
mencionaba Brisna, en
And
Guatemala
what
también
Brisna
queremos
mentioned,
mucho
you know,
porque nos
I
gustaría
think in
tener recetas
Guatemala,
que funcionen siempre,
we
¿verdad?
want to
Y
find
creo que
recipes that
cada
work all the
proceso es
time.
distinto y a mí me gusta
And
mucho la
rather,
palabra
each
proceso
person's process is very
porque es como
different,
ir
distinct.
paso a paso
And I like this word
desde
process
tu
because it
posición,
means going step
¿verdad?
by step,
Pero que no quiere
starting
decir
at the
que el
position you're
proceso
at,
te inmoviliza,
but it doesn't mean that you're
sino también te
immobilized
vas
within the process.
quitando, poniendo, aprendiendo,
You
entonces vas
like
viendo,
drop stuff
¿verdad?
off,
Toda
you pick
esta
stuff up, you're
colonia
learning,
que
you're
nos han
unlearning
impuesto
everything
que
that has been
en ese
imposed on us
proceso
by
tenemos que
the
tener en cuenta
colonization.
que el otro,
And so then
el
we have to
otro,
have
la
in
otra,
mind
es parte de
the
mí
other
y que somos
person
parte de un ecosistema
is
más
part of
grande
me,
donde
and
no
that
hay
we are all part
división
of this
entre
larger
naturaleza y ser humano,
ecosystem in which there's no
¿verdad? Sino
difference
que también
between human beings and
nuestra forma de
nature,
actuar en lo individual tiene que
that our
repercutir en lo
way of
colectivo
acting
y en lo ambiental,
individually has effects
¿verdad?
collectively
100%
and
de
has
acuerdo,
effects
sí. Ya,
environmentally.
hay una palabra
Yeah,
también
100% in
aparte de
agreement.
proceso. Hay una
There's
palabra
a
que
word that is beyond the word process.
el filósofo Antonio Gramsci usa mucho.
Antonio
Y a mí me
Gramsci
gusta,
mentioned
y
it
te voy a decir
a
cómo
lot,
voy a
and I
decir.
really like it.
La palabra
And I'm
es
going to tell you why.
catarsis.
The word is
Y le
catharsis.
encanta la palabra catarsis
And
porque
Gramsci
esa
likes the
palabra
word
es un
catharsis
proceso
because it's a word
por el
that
cual
means a
atravesamos
process
que
through
implica una
which we
transformación
move through, and
emocional,
it implies
una transformación
emotional
casi corporal,
transformation,
una transformación
almost a
casi
bodily
visceral.
transformation, almost a visceral
Gramsci dice que
transformation. And
podemos
Gramsci
entrar en un proceso de catarsis
says we can be part
cuando
of this catharsis
participamos de
process
manera
when we
apasionada
participate
en los procesos de transformación de los
passionately
cuales somos
in
parte.
transformational processes that
O
we're
sea,
part of.
No podemos pensar en la
So
participación
we can't think about
de la que
participation,
estamos hablando aquí como una
what we're
cosa que
talking about
hacemos los
here,
domingos, pero de
as
lunes
something
a
we do on
viernes estamos
Sunday,
por otro lado,
and then
¿verdad?
Monday to Friday we're doing something else.
Es una cuestión de vida. Es una
It's
cuestión
a
de vida, una
lifelong
cuestión permanente,
issue.
una
It's a permanent issue.
de ética profunda.
And it's an ethical
¿Verdad?
question,
Hacemos de
a deeply ethical
hacemos de
question.
lo que hablamos un estilo de vida.
The things that we talk about, we
Y
make
eso
it
es también
our lifestyle.
recordar que no
And
simplemente
that's
somos
also
un ente
remembering that
racional, ¿no? Y que necesitamos
we're not
integrar
necessarily
esa
just a
parte
rational
emocional a
being.
nuestro
Rather, we need to
trabajo político,
integrate
a nuestra
our
vida de
emotional
participación
labor and
política
our
todos los
emotional
días,
part
¿verdad?
into our political work
Y
Bueno,
eso se lo debemos al
and our
feminismo, porque
larger
el
life.
feminismo nos ha enseñado
And that's what
que la
feminism has
cuestión
taught
aquí
us.
es cuestión de sentir y pensar.
Feminism has taught us,
El feminismo nos ha dado las lecciones, creo yo, más
has
profundas en
taught us,
cuanto a lo que significa
and has caused
desarrollar
us to
una ética
reflect
del cuidado,
deeply
una
about
ética
what
del
does a
cuidado
care
hacia
ethic mean?
nosotras mismas, una
What
ética
does a
del
care ethic
cuidado
mean for
hacia
ourselves? A
hacia
care
la
ethic
otra
mean
gente, una ética de cuidado al planeta.
towards other people
Y esto
and towards the
es
planet.
exigente, no es una
And
cosa
that
así
is
nomás de que, "Ay, a
demanding.
mí me gustan
And
las
it's not
rosas".
something where
Es
you
una
just say
cosa
like,
más
oh,
compleja.
I really like
Claro, vamos a darle
these
la palabra
animals.
a Carmen
It's something much more
y solo
complex.
para
I'm going to
agregar
pass
algo
the mic over to
justo
Carmen
diciendo
Reina,
que
and
si
I
lo
did
vemos
just
al
want to add
feminismo,
something to what
también
you
lo
mentioned,
debemos al feminismo más
because when we talk about
la
feminism,
cosmovisión de los pueblos originarios del
I would
sur.
like to mention feminism
Carmen,
plus
100%.
the
te dejo
cosmovision
la
of the indigenous peoples of the global south.
Gracias, Marco. Qué gusto
100%.
escucharte de nuevo y gracias
Thank you
por
so much,
esta
Marco.
clase.
Really, it's been a
Estaba
pleasure to hear
pensando
from
que
you.
otro de los
Something I was
desafíos
thinking
profundos
about,
que
another
tenemos en Guatemala,
challenge,
ahora
deep
mismo
challenge that we
nos
face in
vemos
Guatemala
acelerados por
right now,
la política de terror que se plantea
that we
a
have
partir del uso
the
de la tipología penal
policy
de
of
terrorismo
terror, and that
estrenada
we're
con
using
el foco de
criminal
encarcelamiento
prosecution
sobre la
as a type of
manifestación
terrorism,
popular.
including
Esto ha inhibido
jailing,
o ha
and to use
generado
that to
mucho
control
temor
public protest.
para salir
That
a
has
las calles
created
y los
a
pocos
lot of
colectivos que
fear
están saliendo
for
ya
people heading
están
out to
amenazados.
the streets. And the few groups that go out to the streets are facing threats, as well as like the folks from the USAC who have been criminalized. So it's a policy of terror. And then we're also talking about the fragmentation in civil society that you mentioned. And there's like continuous dialogues and fragmentation in civil society. So the next hope that we can think about, or the next time period we can think about, is the elections. So how can we avoid following into this fragmentation? But also, I feel like you're inviting us to think beyond there. Organization in which we don't lose everything that's possible with the election. I doubt that we would be able to reach the presidency, but also to continue weaving that goes beyond the elections in the mid and long term. For instance, political leadership, political training, organizing. So this depth that goes beyond. So that we don't need to lose hope. We have like this time period that is very short term. Thank you. Well, Carmen,
es una dialéctica entre el corto plazo y el largo plazo.
It's a dialectic between the short and the long term. The line that divides the short and long term is not that clear. You might think yes, but it's actually, those two things are very tightly tied. So sometimes we talk about the we forget about the short term because we're talking about the long term. We forget about the long term because we're talking about the short term. So these two things are always tied. And one always goes hand in hand with the other. So I think it can be very myopic to focus only on the short term and say, okay, forget the long term, we'll deal with that in the future. And vice versa. I think that's a mistake to just focus on the long term and forget about the short term. So I think these two things are tightly tied. In Guatemala, I totally agree with you. There's urgency, and we need to urgently, it's something that we all know very clearly. The Revelo administration it's not been their intention, but it was inevitable that this would happen. The Revelo administration is creating the conditions to go back to the same, to go back to the restoration of repression, of corruption, of impunity. And when those actors come back into power, I think that the Trump government is going to become a caricature compared with what folks are going to do in Guatemala. So I think we're looking at something really bad. So in the face of that, we need to see, what are we going to do? What can we do? And in this sense, we can't forget or leave to the side what Semilla is doing, or with the creation of the new party Raíces, which is a new political expression, which is being led by Samuel Pérez, formerly of Semilla. And so we need to join into some kind of dialogue with this force and with other forces. And dialogue doesn't just need to come from the popular groups, social movements, grassroots movements. Rather, the folks in Raíces also need to understand, and they really need to understand, that by themselves, they have no hope in the next election. Of course not. Maybe if they get a few people elected to Congress, they'd be like a handful. So that means that there's already a huge challenge, which all of the whole spectrum of civil society movements, raíces, that they all face. We have to realize that the threat of a return and the restoration of these powers to the whole state, because right now they have co-opted the whole state except the executive branch. So if they're able to return to the executive, that's going to be a huge threat. And it's a clear, obvious threat. It's not just like, oh, the Revelo administration will end. It's not just a threat for the next administration. It's a generational
intento de
threat.
sustituir o destituir
The
o
attempt to
defenestar el gobierno de
substitute
Arévalo
or
no
to
busca simplemente
dethrone the
recuperar
Arevalo government
la presidencia para el
is not just
próximo
to
periodo.
take back
No,
over the
lo que
presidency
buscan
for the
es
next term.
suprimir,
Rather, what they're looking to
reprimir la
do
posibilidad de
is
cambio
to
por
suppress and
otra
repress
generación
the entire
entera.
possibility of change
Otros
for an
30
entire
años,
generation.
otros
Another
40
30
años.
years, another 40
Esa
years.
es la magnitud del
So
desafío
that's
que
the
tenemos. O sea,
magnitude
pues,
of the challenge that we're
que la
facing.
extrema derecha, la restauración
So,
también
in
tiene
other words,
un largo
the
plazo
extreme right,
y tienen que mantenerlo.
they have a long-term vision too
Así como
of
así como
restoration,
las izquierdas y
and
los
they need
de
to
abajo
maintain
también
that
tenemos
vision.
un largo
Just
plazo
like the
que tenemos
leftists,
que
just like the
mantenerlo.
grassroots,
De
that
manera
we
que
have
ahorita
a
estamos
long-term
en lo que
vision
se
that we
llama
have to
una guerra
maintain.
de posiciones.
But right now we're in a war
Una
of
guerra de
positions,
posiciones que debe de
a war
combinar
of
lo corto
positions
y lo largo,
that should
lo profundo y
combine
lo
the
superficial,
short and the long
la
term,
forma y el
the
contenido,
deep and the
todo
superficial,
al
the
mismo
form
tiempo.
and the
Y
content,
ese
all of that.
desafío
We have to include
es
it
lo
all.
que nos
So that
presenta el
challenge
momento presente. Las izquierdas,
is
los
what the
movimientos,
current movement
raíces, etcétera.
presents to us.
Tenemos que
Whether
asumir
that's the
ese
left, that's
desafío
movements,
de
that's
modo
Raíces, the new
horizontal,
party.
democrático,
It's
participativo. Si
a
no,
challenge that we need to face
vamos para abajo. Es el
participatively,
Titanic,
horizontally.
de Guatemala.
Otherwise,
Vamos
we're
para abajo.
going down. It'll be like
Y va a
Guatemala's
ser malo.
Titanic. We'll
Si durante
be
los
going
últimos,
down.
si
And
durante
it'll
los
be
últimos 10
terrible.
años, mira cuánta gente ha
If
salido
during the
al
last
exilio
10
en Guatemala.
years, if we think
Mira
about how
cuánta
many
gente ha
people
sido
have left
arrojada
in
de Guatemala.
exile
Mira
from
cuánta gente ha
Guatemala,
sido
people who
criminalizada
have
y
been picked
perseguida.
up
Mira,
and vomited out,
esto no va a
people who have
ser
been
nada
criminalized, who have been
comparado con lo
persecuted
que va
and
a llegar
prosecuted.
después de la
That is
próxima elección. O
nothing
sea,
compared
hay que
to
tener
what would
conciencia de eso.
happen with the next election. So we need to have that in mind.
Respuesta.
Thank you so much,
Vamos a dar
Marco, for that
espacio para una
response.
última pregunta
So we're going to
antes de
allow for
irnos,
one
porque
more
ya se nos está
question
acabando
before
el
we
tiempo también
head
de los
because we are running
Entonces,
out of
si hay
time
alguien
and we're
más
also going to lose our
quiera
interpreters.
levantar
So
la mano
if there's anyone
y
else who would like
participar.
to raise their hand and participate.
Si no, el
Pues yo creo que
silencio
no.
otorga. Entonces, bueno, pues muchísimas
If
gracias,
not, then
Marco,
I will
por
allow myself to
compartir
just
el
say thank you
trabajo que has
so much,
estado
Marco, for
analizando
sharing
durante
the
todo
work, all
todo
of your
este
analysis
periodo.
that you've been
Vamos a
doing
poner la
throughout
atención
this whole
también a las
period.
publicaciones que
Yo-
nos
We're
ofrece.
also going
¿Sí? ¿Hay
to,
alguien ahí?
Sí,
oh,
quisiera agregar
is there
algo,
someone there?
Sí.
Yes, I would like to add something.
eh,
This is Miguel.
justamente de lo que tú acabas de decir, las publicaciones.
What you
Yo
mentioned
quisiera
before.
invitar a todos
I
los
would
que
like to
están ahora
invite
acá en
everyone
este
who's here present
conversatorio
in this
que nos ha
conversation,
desarrollado Marco, invitarlos
which Marco has shared with us.
a que lean las reflexiones de
I
Marco
would invite
y
you
regale
to
su voz,
read Marco's
porque
reflection
es una
and
voz
share
que
his
nos va a
voice,
permitir
because his voice
empezar
will
ese camino de
allow us to
desarrollar
start on
nuevas
this path
ideas y ver
of
la
developing out new
situación
ideas,
guatemalteca,
to
inclusive
consider the
latinoamericana
Guatemalan
y mundial,
situation and the
con
Latin
otra
American
perspectiva
situation, the world
para
situation
entrar
from a
en
different
ese
point of view,
proceso de empezar a descolonizar
to start this
ese
process of
pensamiento en el cual
decolonization
fuimos
of our
la
thought.
mayoría de nosotros educados, ¿no?
This
El
because we were
espíritu
all like
a
educated in this
conocer
colonial line of
realidades,
thought.
nuevas
It
realidades
allows us
para
to think about new
enriquecer
realities
ese gran
and to
reto del que
enrich
Marco hablaba, ¿no?
ourselves in the face of this huge challenge that Marco has told us about.
Sí, gracias, Miguel.
Yes,
Sí,
thank you, Miguel.
pues ahí hay
And
publicaciones de Marco en
yeah, there are
Observador
publications
y
from
en
Marco
otros
in El
espacios.
Observador
Y
and
con
other
gusto el plano de la
spaces.
red también se los puede
And of
compartir.
course, the network can
Y
share those
bueno,
with
si
you.
no tenemos
And
otra participación,
if
pues
we don't have
muchísimas
anyone
gracias,
else who would like
Marco.
to
Muchísimas
comment, I would
gracias a
like to just
todas y
say thank
todos
you
los que
so much,
estuvieron
Marco, and thank you so
acompañándonos
much to
aquí
everyone who was here
virtualmente
accompanying us
en
today
este
virtually
Zoom. Y
in the
para
Zoom.
las personas que van a ver
And
esta
for the people
conversación
who
que
will
nos
see
queda
this
en
recording
diferido,
of the
para que
conversation,
podamos también compartir el mensaje, difundirlo y
yeah,
proponer
we're happy to share with you because we want to share this message and propose other ways of
Muchísimas
organizing.
gracias a todas y todos.
So thank you so much to everyone.